In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount and coupon code on your Wix website. Whether you're running an online store or just want to offer a promotion, being able to use discount codes effectively can help engage more customers and increase your sales. So, let's dive into this process. First things first, start by navigating to the Wix homepage at wix.com. Once you're there, you'll want to head to the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing various aspects of your site. This is where you'll find all the tools you need, neatly organized in one place. Once on your dashboard, locate and click on the Upgrade button. You'll find this option usually on the left-hand sidebar. Upgrading is a necessary step because discount and coupon codes are a feature available only with certain premium plans on Wix. Now, you'll be presented with different premium plans. It's crucial to choose the plan that aligns best with your business needs. Each plan offers a variety of features, so take a moment to browse through the options. Once you've made your decision, click on Select, which is typically next to the plan you choose. Next, you need to decide on a billing cycle. You can opt for monthly or yearly billing, depending on what suits your financial planning. Choosing a longer billing cycle, such as annually, often comes with its own discounts, so keep that in mind. After selecting your preferred billing cycle, click on Continue to Checkout. At the checkout, it's time to choose a payment method. Wix supports multiple payment options like credit cards or PayPal, so pick the one that's most convenient for you. After selecting your payment method, proceed to fill in your invoice details. These details will be used for billing purposes, so double-check for accuracy to avoid any issues later on. Now comes the exciting part, applying your promo code. Look for the Enter Promo Code link, which should be right around where you review your order summary. Click on that, and a field will pop up, allowing you to type in your promo code. Type in your promo code carefully, and once you've entered it, click on Apply. This will automatically adjust the total price of your plan, displaying the discounted price right away. It's always a good idea to make sure that the code has been applied correctly by verifying the new total. Finally, with everything in check and your discount reflected, click on Continue. And just like that, you're all set. Now you know how to add a discount and coupon code on your Wix site. By following these steps, you can easily offer promotions and discounts, helping you attract more customers and boost your sales efforts. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below.